Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Go Dynamic IT. Today I have bought a D-Link Dir 615 router for my apartment CCTV uses. It's a very small router, but it's very powerful. It has a multiple mode like access point mode, router mode, repeater mode, and many more interesting options. It's a multi-purpose router, although it is very popular and has been in the market for a very long time. It would be interesting to see what's in the new in the box in year 2024. So let's unbox it and see what's exciting inside. Okay, so let's unbox this router. So first we have to cut the box and remove the wrap, the plastic wrap on it. So okay, so let's open this box now. And after opening the box, you can see this is a black dual antenna router you can see in the front. And this looks very sturdy and have a three LED lights on it. And you can see the back side there is some MAC address, serial number, and other stuff is there in there. And then we have get the installation guide on one of the installation guide in this box. And this is the warranty and safety information. Also, there is one small piece of paper in this. So in this installation guide, it says that how to connect your router to first time to your PC, laptop, what IP address and all. These are the information which is given here. The very small information here, and there is one more small box here. And once you open that, we can see this is the adapter here, and this is a two-pin adapter. And this has got a round pin, okay, so round pin on, and this is the Ethernet cable. Looks like I think it's a 1 meter. So let's keep everything inside and check what is on the router ports and other stuff. So let's bring the router here and see what is how many ports we have in the back side. Okay, so I can see here there are 5 ports behind, and the first one is the reset switch. So you can press it and reset. And the first one from the right is the WAN port, and then you have a 4 LAN ports. And there you have a 1 5 volt adapter here. I can see here this fit smoothly in this box. So this is pretty much clean box, and you can see this all the installation everything is given here, and you can see this is SSID name and the pin to when you connect first time to your router. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question, query, and feedback, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my video.